Welcome to FAD Tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can make this laptop stand design in Blender. This is very simple and unique design. So let's go to the Blender and start the tutorial. We are in Blender now, so first of all we have to go to the units and it should be metric and this meter should be in centimeters. Okay, and then we have to open the drawing which we have to do in Blender. So this is our drawing. So it is 48 centimeter, it's, you can say, its length, and this is 26 centimeter its width, and 14 centimeter is height. So we have to draw a cube. We will go to Shift plus A, mesh cube. Okay, and the scale into X direction 48. Okay, scale into Y direction 26, and scale into Z direction 14. Okay, so this is your reference. So we go to the viewport, visibility, viewport display, and we will make into wire. Okay, and uncheck this camera render. So this is our reference only, so we will draw our model on this reference party. Okay, so we will go to the front view, numpad 1, and we will draw a cube first. Okay, so same like this, scale X direction. Okay, scale Y direction. Okay, so we have to select the faces first. So 1, 2 and 3, and go to the P by selection and remove the unnecessary part. Okay, and select this one and Control plus A, rotation scale. So it will reset its geometry faces and the bevel will work perfectly. So we will go to the drawing first, and if you see here some dimensions are mentioned. So it's 14 centimeter, and if you subtract this one 7, 5.5, so it is around 1.5 meter. This height means you can see its thickness is 1.5. We will select this one, and we'll go to the edge, select this edge and this edge. Okay, Control Shift B, bevel. So it will bevel the corner. So we don't need bevel the corner, we need only the bevel. So Control plus B, bevel. Okay, so we need something like this. Okay, and yes, perfect. So we will select shade smooth. Okay, and now we will hide this one. Okay, this one, this is our main cube, so we will rename it laptop stand board. Okay, 1. So this corner is also bevel. Okay, so we will select this one. So we'll go to the vertices, select these corners like this. So Control Shift B, so it will work like vertices bevel. So I hope this is okay. Now we have to apply rotation scale again, and we have to apply the solidify. Okay, so its thickness is like 1, so something like this we need. Okay, it's like 102 centimeter, like 105 it is our requirement. Okay, which I told you 1.5, so it will like something like that, because in Blender is not like precise engineering software. So now this is okay, and if you see this 5.5 centimeter gap is there. So we will do the another thing, this design. So we will have to duplicate this object, and we will Z direction. Okay, we have to select edit mode, select this one, and we will go to the top face and select this face. Okay, select this mirror magnet option, X direction. Okay, Okay, so it will magnet only the face, but we have to like this GX direction. Okay, and same case we will select this one again and GX. Okay, I think here if we select this one again, GX. Okay, now it's perfect. And here if we go up something like this, okay, and we will go to the edit mode and select this portion and select this one and Z direction up to here. Okay, so this stand is ready. Now we have to do one thing, so select this one and apply modifiers. Okay, and we will go to the bevel option. Okay, like this is okay. So amount, it should be 5 and 15 is okay and 10 is okay. Okay, so same thing we have to apply on the bottom side. Apply modifiers and we have to add generate bevel 15 plus 10. Okay, so we have to apply the rotation scale again. Okay, so if any unbeveled portion is there, so it will fix. So so this portion is ready, so we have to go to the bolt option. So which screw we have to use here, so we will go to the shift plus A, mesh and bolt. Okay, so it should be here. So it should be scaled like this because it is too small to see, so I will scale it like this. Okay, we will go to this bolt option. Okay, something like here, rotate Y. Okay, so we will do the same thing, scale something like this. So we will do the same thing, something should like this. Okay, and we have to change bolt. Okay, if we go to this, so we need something like ln and bolt ln and hex should be like it's like pan, something like this. Okay, but it should be like on both sides. So we will do one thing more. So select the change bolt and thread length is like something like this. Okay, and we will mirror on the other side as well. So shift plus D X, rotate the 190. Okay, so select this one, shade auto smooth, select this one again, shade auto smooth, and we will hide this one. Okay, and we will merge this one. Okay, and we will select our cube again and we will do the mirror, add generate mirror modifier. So select our this object, y direction, okay, and this is okay. Then again modifier, generate mirror, select our object. So our model is ready now. So now we have to apply the material. So first of all we go to the blender kit material. So this is add-on, you can download it from our website. So I will select the wood. Here some wood option is showing, but I have to search some specific wood only. So based on our model, we will, this is okay now because it's look very realistic, and based on our profile it's look good. So I will select this one, and go to the render view. Okay, so currently it's not showing like this, but so we will fix this one. So select this all and UV cube projection, these faces, okay, up to I think here. This is okay now, only this portion is error. So we will go to the UV editing map and we select rotate 90. Go to the layout again, noise fix again for this portion, up to here, and we'll go to UV editing, rotate 90. Okay, so it's fixed again. So nice, looks okay and perfect. So we will do the same thing, same material we have to apply. Okay, so this is our wood one and this is our wood 2, but we have to copy. Okay, this is okay now. So this model is okay. So we, for this portion we have to some metal material. So we select metal, and I think this is okay now. So we will go to with this one, but okay, so UV cube projection, but it is very, but I need some steel type. This is very good. We will go this one. This is perfect. One thing you see, our wood is showing here, so this is not perfect. So we will go to the edit mode and select this portion, our inside, like we have. So we will hide this one again, sorry, and select this portion, okay, because it is mirror, so it will fix. Okay, something like this is okay. Nice, perfect. And this portion we have to do, so we select again and a little bit more. So our model is ready now. Thank you for watching.